Mafans wakiitisha kitu, lazima HD awapatie. 3 cups of milk and a little lemon, make some buttermilk. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of hot sauce. Makes a nice adhesive mixture for chicken. Yep, I said chicken. Let's make some fried chicken, shall we? Napenda miguu, napenda thighs pia. Once in a while, some wings. Nikaidip vizuri, kila sehemu ishike. Wrapped it in some cling film and I put it in the fridge. Anyway, 4 hours later, time to make that dredging mixer. That's 3 cups all-purpose flour, a half cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon dried basil, and 1 tablespoon paprika. Mix them in. 1 tablespoon salt, 1 teaspoon cayenne powder, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Mix them, gather them, mix them, gather them. The part we've been waiting for. Some Rena oil, guys. This oil does not solidify, man, and you can use it over and over again. You get to save a coin or 2 ndio upige sherehe this festive season. As my oil heats up, back to my chicken. Using my right hand, I make sure I drip this mixture of buttermilk, kabisa, with my right hand. Shake it, shake well. And then using my left hand, I pour the powder, the dredging mixer, all over. You can use a bag and shake it so that you make sure it goes to all the corners. Once that is done, you shake it again so that you take off the excess dredging mixer and then lay it down and then repeat. Maraka 20 for the others like this. This is a nice thigh. And into the oil we go one by one. Drumsticks pamoja, juu zinaiva at the same rate. Thighs pamoja, juu zinaiva at the same rate. Ile utamu tutasikia leo. By the way, usisumbue, wachana na kuku yako. Yeah, we don't want the skin falling off. We want it to look nice like HDs, like this. So usizisumbue, uzieke ndani na zitoke tu poa hivi later on. Oh man, hizo restaurants mnaweza taja says got nothing on me. Hata kina nani got nothing on HD's kitchen. Zile kelele mnapenda ndio zinakam. Vaini earphones. Moment of truth. Time we've been waiting for. Unasikiaje bro? Sawa tu. Atiaje? Nasikia tamu. Kuna jinga. Festive season, guys. Let's make some good food. Use good oil for good results. HD's Kitchen. Okolea Chrissy na Rena.